So what's up, guys? It's been like 2 weeks now since I made any posts or shot any content, basically. So that seems like a long time for me, but may not be a long time for you guys, and it affects my consistency rule of providing consistent value to my viewers and to my channel. But with that being said, the last 2 weeks of March has been quite tough for me in the market because of the constant change we are trying to adapt to in the Trump's market. Basically, I'll call it Trump's market because the US economy basically affects most of the pairs, so that transcends to any other pair you're trading, maybe the indices or whatever it is. So on a higher time frame now, I'm not able to capitalize on big setups, take a 1 to 3 and so on and so forth. So I had to transcend down to the smaller time frame to find trades like on a 5 minute, and man, I actually got my ass whooped. But when I say got my ass whooped, it's not as if I didn't come out profitable, but at the end of the day I took so many losses. So when you take so many losses, it affects your psychology. So come with me, let me show you some of the trades I took that made me start changing my idea. So I had to start changing back into a time frame bigger than the 5 minutes time frame, so which is like the 15 minutes time frame, so that I can capitalize on the move. So if you look at here now on the 4-hour time frame, you can see on NAS 100 that there wasn't really any major thing I can capitalize on based off my strategy. Price was just running down and running down. But on the 1-hour time frame, you see we had some things that showed up, but not really quality enough to assess in the market, and not even in the time frame that I trade on. So if you come down to the 15 minutes, you can see that the same pattern played itself in the 15 minutes time frame, even better. So, but what I did initially, that, let me say, I'll call it a mistake, but when we say something is a mistake, to me, it just points you to the right direction, because when you make errors, it just points you to the right direction. So now let's see, on the 5 minutes time frame, I was using my same strategy. I didn't change my strategy. So same strategy of let's say price
comes this way, goes back this way, come this way, then I'm looking to get in on a buy here and allow price to continue to go up this way. And inversely, the same thing for the sell. So let's say price is coming this way, I'm looking for short positions on the supply zone around here, then I'll take my trade around this level, then I'm looking for price to continue to sell short. So easy like this. I call this my type 1. This is called type 1. Then for type 2, let me clone this and drag this here. So for my type 2, so entries are mostly around this level, short position here, stop loss around here, long positions here, stop loss around the low, then you look for a 1 to 2, 1 to 3, depending on how you see the market fits. So based on what the market is currently doing, like there's no certainty with the dollar, there's no, you can't really predict, you can't look for elongated TPs because of the current condition of the market. That's why you need to adapt your strategy so that you can continue to make profits in the market. So now let me show you my type 2 strategy. So my type 2 strategy comes like this. Let's say we're selling and price has made a bearish move. We create lows to this side, then come up to this side. So this is the demand, the supply zone around here. So if price fail to continue to go short from this, if you sell here, you can look for price back. Price will most likely come back to this resistance level here, create a double top. Sometimes it doesn't create a complete double top, it just creates a bounce off the resistance zone here, and you sell shorts, and you have a even higher risk to reward situation. So this is the type 2. So you sell here and your stop loss is right above the resistance level here. So this is type 2. So this is for sell positions. So now let's do for when you're looking for buys. So when you're looking for buys, this is the situation you do. So price is buying, it comes down to this level, then back to this level again, creating a double bottom here. Then you find, if you're looking for price to continue to buy here and it fails to continue to buy here, you look for price at this level. Just a bounce off this level sometimes is okay, and you continue to buy. So with that being said, this is called a type 2. I paste this here. This is called the type 2 trade entry model. So on this week I did that same situation here. So you can see that the type 1 presented itself here. We had price from an uptrend perspective on the 5 minutes time frame. So the 5 minutes time frame is very, very feeble. You can't really guarantee anything, but the pattern is still the pattern. So when it presents itself, you take the trade regardless. So you can see how price did this, gave the exact same pattern but failed. So I bought around this level, price stopped me out. But there's nothing to really work with if you're looking for the type 2. So except price come back to this level, but price didn't come back to this level. So this was a losing trade. So I took that L. Then on the next day, the same situation. But some of the things I learned from this area was the fact that price has not really started the move. I was too early in the market. It was 5 a.m. London session. I was too early in the market. So these are some of the things. We are humans, so we keep learning on the go. These are some of the things I had to learn this week. So now I only take my trades from 7 a.m. London session instead of very early entry. So price came this way, same pattern, but failed. I took a trade around here, it stopped me out. But see, price didn't come back to this level to give me like type 2. So there's no point looking for a re-entry. So this was a failed trade. And I took the third trade, same situation, double top here, price came down this way, came back, gave the pattern, continued to sell. I sold around this level and price failed. So it got back to this level, but after taking 3 losses off the 5 minutes time frame, I just decided to, my strategy doesn't really fail this much. At most, maybe 2-3 losses back to back. So I decided to just take a chill and reassess the edge on this time frame. So looking at it, I can see I had to make a transition from the 5 minutes time frame to the 15 minutes time frame, and it has been okay since then. So these are some of the things we do in the market. Once you see that something is not working, you find adjustments to your edge. You don't change the strategy, you may just change the time frame that you trade it on, or just look at the market condition and find time frames that favor the market condition so that you can continue to try. So that's it on my trade recap for the 5 minutes time frame and my audio the last 2 weeks in the market. So, and I also was able to communicate my type 1 and type 2 edge to you guys. So yeah, to continue to learn stuff like this, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. Yeah, one last thing, turn on the notification bell so that whenever we drop content, you're able to jump on it as quick as possible. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye for now.